We have just seen further intensification. So, the National Hurricane Center so well forecasting this, expected imminent increasing in strength, and we've seen it. The warm waters here of the Gulf of Mexico above 86 degrees, using the gas and fuel to really strengthen this. And just recently, 150 maximum sustained winds. I mean, this is a beast of a storm. We're talking about life-threatening storm surge, catastrophic wind damage, flooding rain, not only for southeast Louisiana. It is just hours and imminently from making landfall with the center of circulation. But this is a big storm. You can see already the outer bands beginning to make its way. The center of circulation where the eye wall is, that's where those strong winds are. But that's pretty tight. But hurricane force winds extend out 40 miles from the center. Tropical storm force winds extend out 140 miles from the center. So here's the timing on it. Early this afternoon in southeast Louisiana, maybe just west of New Orleans, perhaps. That's where the center of circulation will come ashore as a Category 4 major hurricane. And then as it comes ashore with friction, it will weaken and weaken pretty rapidly. The problem is, and the key is, we're going to see it slow down, and there's nothing worse than a slow hurricane. That's where we'll see the fresh water flooding from the rain. Although New Orleans spent $15 billion since Hurricane Katrina to prevent against storm surge, which is the wall of water that comes in, can't stop the rain that's coming and the winds as well. So as we look toward Tuesday, you can see it moves north and east. For us, Tuesday will be the biggest player. We'll see it Wednesday morning as well. But Tuesday, we'll see the rain, some gusty winds, and isolated tornadoes. That's really the North Georgia impact. I want to show you the forecast winds now. The orange tropical storm force winds and the red hurricane force winds. Here's the eye wall that begins to come on shore. This is tonight at 7 o'clock. Look at how massive and how widespread tropical storm force winds are with this. As we even head into tomorrow night, still a band through Mississippi, southwestern Alabama. You can see even in Georgia, we'll see some strong gusty winds to about 25 miles per hour perhaps. Again, that's Tuesday. Here's the rain potential, a foot plus of rain, especially right here along the coast and certainly from New Orleans westward. There's the tongue of at least 6 inches, and this is the swath in the orange of at least 3 to 5 inches. So flooding rain certainly not only along the coast, but even interior areas into Tennessee. You'll see an incredible amount of rain there as well. So for us, in terms of rain, this keeps adjusting, but you see where the heaviest rain is? This is the 2-3 inches of rain, but it does clip us, but a little jog eastward will put 2 inches from Ellijay perhaps to Rome. So on the whole, the further east you are, half an inch of rain potentially, the further north and west, closest to the axis of the storm, of course, that's where we'll see the greatest number and greatest amount of rain. So local impacts for us again on Tuesday, half an inch areas east, up to 2 inches potentially, certainly north and west of Atlanta. And then the winds as well, and isolated tornadoes on Tuesday, certainly not out of the question as well. So Tuesday into early Wednesday really our bullseye, beginning Monday night. For today, though, partly sunny skies, a few showers with some of these outer bands coming up from the south, not out of the question. But for most of us, just a dry tropical heat, 89 degrees, feeling like 94 today. Tomorrow, scattered showers and storms, especially the farther south and west you are, farther east again, east of the axis of where this line will come through. And then here is Atlanta's most accurate 7-day forecast. Today, really a dry day, sunny, hot, very humid. Monday, tomorrow, especially tomorrow night. Tuesday's really our marquee day. Wednesday as well for the first half of the day. And then we clear it out and have a beautiful Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.